I have some very, very, very exciting news. I just hit 10,000 views on my channel, and oh my god, I never thought I would make it. I never thought I'd make it this quickly. Let me put it that way. So thank you so much to everybody who has watched my videos, subscribed to me, and continues to watch my videos and continues to stay tuned and join me on this journey of me going through YouTube. And honestly, I'm so happy, I'm so glad that, you know, people love my content, and this is the main reason why I'm doing this. I'm doing this because it's a hobby and I enjoy doing it, and honestly, I can tell you, I'm going to be creating videos for so much longer, and I'm going to keep doing it for as long as I enjoy doing it, and that's the reason why you should do YouTube. You should do it because it's your passion, because it's your hobby, because you enjoy to entertain your viewers. You shouldn't do it for money, views, or anything like that. You should do it for the right reasons, not the wrong reasons. And I love doing it. Like, honestly, every single day or every single week, I love turning on this camera. I love talking. I love giving my opinion. I love giving my reviews on things. Like, it's just my favorite thing to do. And I'm so grateful that you guys are joining me on this journey, looking at my channel, subscribing to my channel, commenting and liking and doing all these wonderful things. And it shocks me every single day to see you guys just kill it, and I keep seeing my numbers and subscribers going up. I keep seeing my likes going up. I keep seeing more comments coming in every single month, and it just wows me, and you guys never fail to surprise me. So that's all I have to say. I'm so happy. Thank you very much to everybody who has subscribed, who has liked, who has commented, and has done all of those wonderful things. I love you, and I will see you guys in my next video. Make sure you subscribe because there's a lot of content on this channel, including unboxing videos, reviews, tutorials, DIYs, vlogs, and so much more. So consider subscribing because this channel is so much fun and you will not regret it. Trust me. I'll see you guys later. Until then, bye guys.